the best equipment to our customers. We're bringing a full line of sanding equipment and solutions, from time savers, solid wood sanding and veneer sanding, and also Weber veneer sanding. We also bring the solutions as far as brush sanding technology to complement the rest of our products. Also in conjunction with Hollytech Canada, CNC Automation supplies a full line of conventional equipment as well, from planers, joiners, shapers, crosscut saws, double-sided planers. We're able to supply the industry with the products that they need.